What's up, y'all? Ken coming at you from Ken.com, your soul school music lover. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true phoenix. What is it? December 16th, 2023. So I thought I'd get started on this cluster wiring thing. I've got the Rodan moved in and I'm ready to do something with her. So here we go. This is the cluster. I think I tried this before already, but I'm gonna go ahead on and do it again and nicely place these inside of the protectors, wire protectors that I have. And get them all looking nice and neat. All right, guys. 1970 Pontiac Firebird, a true phoenix. Yeah, take it easy. I'll talk to you later.